part of this campaign is an allocation of 10 million pesos for the distribution of Isang Kaibigan books, a children's book authored by the VP. Pwede po bang sabihin ni VP sa atin, the VP could tell us more about the contents ng librong ito? Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, the book is not for sale. We only pay for the publication of the book. And we will send Senator Antiveros a copy so that she will know what is the content of the book.